So now for one of the more fun parts of the game, where we're going to place jump pads, where when Lerps hits it, he goes up. So let's make a jump pad to begin with, create empty, and we'll call it, don't know what it's referred to by code, but just to be sure, let's call it exactly jump pad trigger. Jump pad trigger, there it is. It's just empty right now. And we're going to add to it a collider, because we're going to want to hit it and something that happens, and a box collider is probably good because the shape of where it's going to go is rectangular. So box collider, and it will be a trigger for when we hit it. And in terms of size and stuff, we can fix that in just a moment. We're going to add a script that's already made called, and all these are open, so I'm going to alt click and then just regular click, and then we're going to look up the jump pad. There it is, jump pad. It goes on our jump pad trigger. And jump height, we can fix that, play around with that later on, but that's it. So basically we just need to play it. And in fact, if we just remember that it's here by the hearts, you'll see what happens. I mean, it's going to be invisible, but I think we should be able to find it. Oh, we can, because we're looking here, right? So we're gonna navigate in the scene until we find it, and it didn't work. So let's just see what the problem is, because when he hits that, he should jump up. Oh, it's just hard to see, so that's what happens. So we're going to place this, and I'm going to go from the top and find places that look like this, these chevrons. That's where it goes. And I'm not going to take too much time to do this, but I'll show you where they are. I'll do at least one right now. So from the top, I move it over there. From the side, I'm going to zoom in, move it down, and I think I've got that pretty well. This is one of those things where you probably want to go to the 4x4 view, but I think I got that one pretty well. So yeah, that's big enough actually. He's going to hit it when he gets there. So, and just for fun, let's move this up a little bit. And I'll try to get there and show you how it works, and I'll show you where they go, and that'll be it. So I've got to okay, there it is. So when I get in, I should, yeah, so it's not perfectly placed, and I keep on hitting it, so you get the idea. That's jump pad. So from the top, where are the others? There's one, you can see it clearly, chevrons. There's another and another, okay, two of them over there. I think you can see the yellow. And then I can tell you that there are three underneath what I'm calling the mushrooms in the middle, right underneath there. Yeah, there are three there. So I suppose we better make that into a prefab. I forgot about that part. So make sure I've got my prefabs folder. That's ready to go. Down to prefabs. This is not a trivial thing to do, so don't think that I'm just being blasé about this. So there it is. Let's get rid of the original one, right? So we don't want that to not change if we change the prefab. So I'm going to delete it, and then go and place the jump pad triggers back. That's another way to do it. It's just zoom to the right place. And there will be a bunch of them. What did I say? Maybe around 6. So we better have a create empty folder game object called jump pad triggers. And all of them, when you've got them, will go there. There you go.